All right, I just want to make a quick video about this sight right here. I just took this off of my my equipment. Don't want to get anything censored or anything like that, but this is the Vortex Crossfire small sight that can be set up really nicely with the magnifier. Looks really cool, but works really well is my big thing. I'm a big Vortex guy. This has a little rubber cap, pops off. You then have the two-sided sight here. You have the dial on the side where you can twist. It's going to turn it on. It's going to adjust the brightness of it. You're obviously not going to be able to tell that, but you can go through that, set up your brightness where you want it to be while it is on, and then turn it all the way off, which mine needs to be right there. And you have up-down dials, be able to adjust it, obviously sighted in. So I've had this thing for a while now, used it on 2 different devices, and have really liked it. Got one for my dad. He likes it too. Big fan of these. Would definitely recommend it.